Hey guys, guess what we are cooking today? You're welcome back to Oyoyo Ndoki's kitchen, and on today's recipe I'm going to save you from the guess. We are making lamb suya or lamb jerky. I know you cannot understand, see how it's bubbling, so stay tuned to find out all the simple ingredients we'll be using for this amazing recipe. But I do thank you for watching my video. Alright, you can see a freshly cut lamb meat, and what I have there as my seasoning, I have soya seasoning, and I added some oyoyo touch to it, some touch of garlic, ginger, and some chili. So we are going to rub in the seasoning onto the meat and make sure you cook nicely so that every part of the meat will be completely covered. You can see what I'm doing here. You flip to the other side and continue to add this soya seasoning. So rub nicely to make sure that every part is completely covered. So now we're going to wrap it completely. You can see what I'm doing here. You cover it completely, set it aside, and allow it to marinate from 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours. So guys, the grilling time. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. It is getting to summer period and we are warming up with recipes that will entice you this summer. You can see my lamb meat after 2 hours looking well marinated. However, we are going to coat it again with some vegetable oil. Okay, we are going to coat it nicely with some vegetable oil and add some more soya seasoning on top of the lamb meat. That's exactly what I'm doing here. Thank you for watching my video today. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all of you. If you're not following my page up till now, kindly follow my page, share my videos, leave me your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you guys. So you can see I'm drizzling some soya seasoning onto the meat. I'm going to flip through to make sure every part gets it. So guys, we are ready to get it to the heat. Yes. If you notice, I have a grilling mat on top of the grill. And the reason for that is we want to lock in all the seasoning to make sure it's very juicy, very moist, and at the same time, very delicious. That's what we have here. We are grilling this on top of the grilling mat. And guys, welcome, welcome. It's summertime. Just take a look, guys. Tell me if you're not getting ready for summer. Look at how bubbly the meat is looking and how appetizing the meat is looking. So guys, are you planning anything for summer this year? Are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. The meat is looking good at this time, so the next will be to get it in the grill proper so we can get some smokiness into the lamb. You can see it's almost done, so we're not going to waste a lot of time here, but we need to also get some smoky effect on the meat. As you can see, the final product, our meat is ready right now, and you can see how bubbly is looking, how juicy, is not dry at all, is so moist inside, and very fresh, very delicious, not overly cooked. This is what you should expect if you're making suya that is not on a stick. This is how your suya should look: very moist, juicy, fresh, and not overly cooked. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe this summer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to leave me your comment, and follow me as well. Thank you guys.